Three-phase voltage source inverter. It has much importance as compared to single-phase inverter from exam perspective. There are two types of switching configurations in three-phase VSI. One is 180 degree and other one is 120 degree type, depending on the conduction time of each thyristor. In this video, I will explain the circuit diagram, switching configurations, switching timing table, and working of these two types of three-phase voltage source inverter. So let's start. Three-phase voltage source inverter. The circuit diagram is shown in the diagram. Here are 6 switches and 6 diodes used to connect a single DC source with voltage Vs and a 3-phase star load with phase RYB having resistive load with resistance small r. The switches used have divided into two parts. First one is upper part, second one is lower part. In upper part, the switches and diode are referred as positive group switches because when they activate, the voltage at the load side will become positive on the relevant phase, and when the negative side group or the downward group switches active or they switch on, then the negative voltage appeared at the relevant phase. So it is positive group and it is negative group switches. It is mandatory to have the conduction angle of each switch and antiparallel diode of 180 degree in VSI 180 degree conduction mode. This is the timing diagram of 180 degree conduction, in which uppermost layer represent R group. S1 and S4 switches are R group switches. Similarly, Y group switches are S3 and S6 and P group switches are S2 and S5. A step phase voltage is appeared when we apply the switching diagram as shown above. But what we expect? We expect the output waveform should be pure sinusoidal. We cannot achieve pure sinusoidal waveform in three-phase 180 degree mode, but what we can achieve here is that the phase difference between each phase voltage is 120 degree. You can see by the diagram. See here, the zero crossing of VR is at 0 degree and zero crossing of Vy at 120 degree and zero crossing of Vb at 240 degree. Now we have to analyze that how we get the stepped waveform, like in mode 1 how we get plus Vs by 3 of voltage VR. As we can see here, by switching diagram we understood that the switches 5, 6 and 1 are switched on at the instant from 0 to pi by 3, or 0 to 60 degree. The switches 1, 6 and 5 are switched on, all other switches are turned off. So see in this diagram, S1 is connected, S5 is connected and S6 is connected. From negative group only S6 is connected, and from positive group S1 and S5 are connected. So what is the status of R, Y and B phases at this instant? So VR is equal to Vs, Vy equal to minus Vs and Vb equal to Vs, as we can generalize by this circuit diagram. At the load side, the condition will be like this. I current will flow from R phase and B phase, and the sum of these two currents equal to 2I flow from Y phase, and the voltage polarities are given as we have find in the circuit diagram. By solving the KVL equation at the two loops, we get I into R equal to Vs by 3, and by putting I into R in VR, Vb and Vy, as we know that from here VR equal to plus IR, so equal to Vs by 3, Vy equal to minus 2 IR equal to minus 2 Vs by 3, and Vb equal to plus IR equal to plus Vs by 3. So in mode first, from 0 to pi by 3, we obtained the values of 3 phase voltages. Similarly, we can carry on our analysis for all 6 phases, and we can get the complete waveform of a total cycle. So we get VR, Vy and Vb at mode first as Vs by 3, minus 2 Vs by 3 and Vs by 3. By using this information, we can find the line voltages. From phase voltage, we can get line voltage as VRY. Like we have to find the voltage VRY equal to VR minus Vy. So what is the value of VR is plus Vs by 3, and what is the value of Vy is minus 2 Vs by 3. So by using this formula, we get VRY equal to Vs. We will carry on or this procedure for next 5 modes, and after that the series will be repeated and cycle will be completed in only 6 modes. To get the RMS value of phase voltage, we take VR. It is same in positive cycle as in negative cycle. The magnitude is not changed, and in RMS we consider negative cycle is shifted above in positive cycle, so we will take only half cycle here from 0 to pi, and here 3 modes are considered. From 0 to pi by 3 we have plus Vs by 3, and 0 to pi by 3 say 2 pi by 3 we have 2 Vs by 3, and from 2 pi by 3 to pi we have Vs by 3. So we can find the RMS value from here like this. We will use this formula Vrms equal to 1 by time period. Total time period is pi. In first mode it is Vs by 3, so Vs by 3 whole square into time pi by 3, then plus 2 Vs by 3 magnitude square into time pi by 3 plus Vs by 3 whole square into time pi by 3, and whole is taken into power 1 by 2. So it is calculated to get the phase voltage RMS as root 2 Vs by 3, and line current and phase current are same as in star, so phase current or line current is equal to V phase by R or root 2 Vs by 3R. Source at DC side, so negative cycle is clipped at source end, so the time period here is taken at 1 by 2 pi, and other parameters are remain same. So IS RMS is Vs by 3R. So it is divided by root to here from load current. The other parameters are like as follows. We can find by using simple formulas. The Fourier series of phase voltage is summation 2 Vs by n pi sine and omega t, where even and triple harmonics are absent. This is the distortion factor 3 by pi, and total harmonic distortion is 31%, which is 17% lesser than the single phase. Fourier series of line voltage is summation 4 Vs by n pi sine n pi by 3 sine omega t plus pi by 6. Here also even and odd triple harmonics are absent. Odd is not there. Even and triple harmonics are absent. Distortion factor and total harmonic distortion is same as in phase voltages. There is a drawback in 180-degree mode, that there is a possibility of short circuit across the supply when incoming switch is start conducting before outgoing switch belonging to the same phase stop conducting. It means the switch on and switch off process, there is a time gap, there should be a time gap. If there is no time gap, then there is a possibility of short circuit across the supply. So this drawback is try to overcome in 120-degree VSI mode. In this case, a conduction angle of 120 degrees allotted for each switch, and the last 60 degrees allotted for commutation where no switch is turned on. Like this, in R phase, S1 is turned on only for 120 degree and rest time is commutated. Similarly, S4 mode is also turned on for 120 degree and rest time is commutated. Like this in Y and B phase also accomplished. So in every mode there only two switches are turned on and all other switches will be turned off. We are considering only resistive load, so diode are not considered in this case. So between 0 to pi by 3 only two switches are connected, and S1 and S3. Due to S1 positive voltage is connected to R phase, and due to S6 negative voltage connected to Y phase. So we get the circuit like this, and by using the mesh analysis we can get the voltages VR and Vy as Vs by 2 and minus Vs by 2. Vb is disconnected, so Vb is equal to 0. So VR is plus Vs by 2, Vy minus Vs by 2, and Vb is equal to 0. Similarly, we will draw waveform for next 5 modes and we can draw a complete cycle. Here Vry is obtained as Vr minus Vy. So Vs by 2 minus of minus Vs by 2 is equal to Vs again. To find the RMS value, here also we will find the RMS by using half cycle of phase voltage Vr. We will get the RMS value because here the Vs by 2 pulse is conducting from 0 to 2 pi by 3 in the mean time of 0 to pi. So how will get the RMS value? By using this formula. Vrms is Vs by 2, this is the magnitude, this is the time period where the pulse is conducting, and this is the total time pi. Vs by 2 into 2 Vs by 3 by pi power 1 by 2. The other parameters we can solve by using the simple formula. This is the Fourier series we obtained of above waveform VR, and by analyzing we get the distortion factor and total harmonic distortion same as in 180 degree conduction mode. This is the Fourier series of line voltage waveform VRY in 120 degree conduction mode. Here also even and triple harmonics are absent and THD is same.